Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to schedule delivery in the Zomato app. Just open the app and on the home page, if you are in the delivery section, tap on schedule. Here you can select a different day as well and add the time here and confirm. Now you can browse the places where you can order from for tomorrow. Tap on it and select the meal, and finally you can order them for tomorrow. You just have to add payment method and it will be delivered for you tomorrow. You can see it here. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.